Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's episode, we're featuring what we believe is the best pajama set for women: cotton, short sleeve, and pure comfort. The AI's Secret Women's 100% Cotton Pajama Set. If you're someone who values breathability, simplicity, and softness in your sleepwear, you're in for a treat. Let's start with the feel. This pajama set is made from 100% cotton. Not a blend, not a synthetic imitation, but pure, natural cotton. What that means for you is lightweight breathability that keeps your skin cool and comfortable throughout the night. Whether you're dealing with warm summer nights or just prefer something non-clingy, this fabric does the job. It's soft, skin-friendly, and made for restful sleep. Now, let's talk design. This set doesn't try to be flashy. Instead, it goes for timeless. The top is a short sleeve, button-down shirt with a notched collar and chest pocket. There's a subtle elegance in the classic contrasting piping that runs along the edges. The pants are full length with a drawstring waist and two side pockets, functional, flattering, and cozy. Whether you're lounging around on a Sunday morning or winding down after a long day, this set fits the vibe. The set is available in a wide range of sizes, from small to 2XL, making it inclusive and accessible. Plus, there are 8 color options, including the soft pink featured in our review. These tones are relaxed and versatile, adding a bit of personality without being over the top. They're colors you won't mind being seen in, whether you're stepping out for a quick delivery or sharing space on a weekend retreat. It's machine washable and holds its softness wash after wash. No special treatments or babying required. It's made to be worn, loved, and lived in. The AI's Secret Pajama Set isn't just a comfy outfit, it's a thoughtful gift. Whether it's for your mother, your daughter, your partner, or even yourself, this set checks the boxes for birthdays, holidays, or just a self-care splurge. Its softness, fit, and look make it a go-to for anyone who values comfort with a touch of class. From a pricing standpoint, this set sits at around $37.99, a fair price for the quality of cotton and construction you're getting. It's neither a cheap throwaway set nor a designer-level splurge. It lives right in the sweet spot, affordable luxury. To sum it up, the AI's Secret 100% Cotton Pajama Set offers style without fuss, comfort without compromise, and quality without the high price tag. Whether you're curling up with a good book or drifting into a peaceful sleep, this pajama set might just become your new nighttime favorite. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested, check the link in the description to see available colors and sizes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more no-nonsense reviews. See you in the next one.